Guys, we just made the first bale of 2023. John Deere 450M, John Deere 5100M. Looks pretty nice. Guys, welcome back to Pointe Farms, and I arranged this shop here. And today's May 20th, and we're gonna bale hay today. But first, we gotta cut 2 yards down the road, and we spaced the tires out on this tractor. We just put this tire on, well, the tire that was on this side, we put it on that side, and we just flipped them. Now the rims look different, and I think they're about 82 inches wide, which is pretty good and gave us more stability and for going in between the windrows. And we're going to run this tractor today, and it should run good. And the 5075E is running good too, and we spaced those wheels out, and you guys are going to see that. So we're cutting this yard, halfway done. Ooh, that's close to the house. Alright, so we're going to hook the chrome mower. We're going to hook it up to we're going to hook the 5075 up to the rake. She's purring. Let's see here. I gotta lift this up. There we go. Got her can be. We're good. This gate over there. Yeah, this thing runs way better since we got the new fuel injection pump on it. And I gave this thing a wash because it was pretty dirty from the winter time. And she's running pretty good now. She's ready. And we cut about 15 acres with this chrome mower, and hopefully I'll knock down this post with it. And there's the corn. Everything's looking pretty good for the 20th of May. We're cutting early this year just because we got all our equipment ready earlier, and the hay looks good. Because last year we had to wait for the baler and stuff like that, so everything's going good. And look at these wide tires on this tractor. Love it. Now we got the mower unhooked. Now we're going to hook up to the New Holland roll bar rig. Hey, which one? Alright. Got the brake hooked up. We got 2 of them. Sometimes we run 2, but today we just run and run. Now we got the rake hooked up. We're about to go start raking. There's the baler. And we're just gonna rake up some. This hay is dry. It's been drying for 2 days, so should be good. Alright, guys. We were here last year on June 8th. So we're about to rake up this field. And this hay is dry. It's dry, and we have oats in this grass that we drilled last year. And this is 11-acre field, so this should go good. It's not thick, but it's something. We didn't spread fertilizer on this one because this ain't a main field, but she should go good.
Make some more hay.
Yeah. 4 o'clock in the afternoon right now. I'm about to bale up this small acre field. Then we're gonna bale up that other small acre field, and then that's another small acre field. Then we're gonna be done. And we only made about 10. We ain't baled that many acres, and the hay won't thick, so. But everything's going good though. Alright guys, so I just baled up that 1 acre, and here's my Papa's corn for 2023. I think he gave it a shot of 32% nitrogen, and it's dark green now. And I'll fix the problem with the baler. I always used to say D, and it meant drop floor. So I press this button, then I can drop the drop floor out, because the baler has a drop floor in the bottom of it. I don't know if the regular 450Ms or the regular 560Ms or whatever model you have has a drop floor. I think it's only on the Megawide HC2s. But I fixed that problem, and I feel pretty good about myself, so that's that. And now I have to wait again for Papa to rake up this spot.